I'm gonna do a quick little video for you guys today. This has happened to me before. This is a BMW N52 engine. It's a 128i. And as you can hear, we have a pretty good ticking going on. And you can hear it mainly from the valve cover, right up on top. So I've had this happen before, and there's actually a hydraulic lifter bleeding procedure that we're gonna do, and we'll show you guys how that's done. The first time this happened to me, I was pretty scared. I thought I'd blown my engine and maybe a rod knock or something like that. But after talking to some people on the internet, that didn't seem to be the case. So most likely, if you get this problem, like some ticking up in the engine, you'll be able to fix it with just this lifter procedure. No guarantees, but that's what worked for me. So I hope it helps you guys out. Now, the usual cause from this is from the car sitting. My car has sat for a few months without being driven. So that's kind of what causes it. So if you have a car that sits for a long time and it develops that knock, I would try this first. So we'll wait until the car gets up to operating temperature, about 180, 190 degrees. And then we're gonna hold the engine at 3,000 RPMs for 3 minutes and then let it rest and see if the noise has gone away. And you can keep doing that up to about 5, 6, 10 times to see if it goes away. So we'll see if this works again. All right, we're at 3 minutes. So let's go check and see if the noise has gone away. So it's just a little bit quieter now, so we'll try it a few more times. All right, there's 3 minutes. So we'll check on the noise one more time. Last time I did this, after the second one, it was noticeably quieter. The third one kind of got rid of it altogether. As you can hear, it's pretty much gone now. You will hear some ticking. That's from the direct injection on the engine. That's the injectors firing. But it's basically done. We'll do it one more time just for good measure, but it seems to be doing the trick. All right, that's another 3 minutes. So we'll check one more time. And as you can hear, that noise is completely gone. All that you can hear now is injectors.